Welcome back. It is soon to be Dr. aka edu_curlz here, also known as Nia. I'm super excited to dive into this video. This is more of a vlog style video, but today we're going to talk about cleansing. So let's start with, first of all, if you're new here, welcome. So glad to have you in this space. If you are an oldie but goodie, welcome back. You know how we do. Embrace everyone that is actually joining us today, and I'm super excited to dive into this. So like I said, this is a little bit of a different style. I'm trying this just to kind of see what works because a lot of you guys have asked, like me, I want to see it in real time. What does it look like in real time? So I am going to be coming to you in the shower, and no, you can't see nothing. But I'm going to come to you in the shower today to talk a little about cleansing my hair and why cleansing my hair and scalp is such an important step for me, especially in winter. And so we're going to dive into that. I'll insert the clip so that you can see it, and then I'll close this out on the back end with a little bit of closing and framing. So stay tuned so you can see the clip. Hey y'all, I'm coming to you from the shower, and no, you can't see. But I want to talk about how I cleanse this hair. So I've rinsed my hair a good bit. I had a little bit of buildup right there, so I needed to like really get in there beforehand. But I want to talk about kind of like the routine. So right now, my shower is running. My Saturday wash is extensive. So I'm actually going to start with a little bit of tea tree oil on my scalp first. And then I'm actually going to go in with my Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse shampoo. And actually shampoo in sections. So I'll show you that in just a second. And then rinse and do it twice. Don't forget to do it twice. You must do it twice. Like, yeah, that's my cleanse. Now, I do a bigger cleanse, like this cleanse with the oils happens on Saturday. I do a midweek cleanse, but it's a really quick hit with my Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse, just because I need to like redo my wash and go. But yeah, that's it. So stay tuned. Let's see how this shampooing in sections goes. Okay, so the key to my cleansing, honestly, is cleansing in sections. So I've clipped up half of my hair here. The other half is here, and I've already applied the shampoo. Do you see that lather? Yeah, y'all, that's what you want. Before I put the shampoo in, I did use the tea tree oil on my scalp. But really, I try to get in there with the base of my fingertips, not my nails, and really get in there and like scrub. I am going to do this twice because my hair just needs that type of cleaning. I've been getting flaking across here, which some of that is weather change for sure. Some of that sometimes is product buildup. So that's really all I do. That's my cleansing. And I will like get all of this section super sudsy before I rinse. Well, actually before I do the other section and then before I rinse. So that's really it when it comes to cleansing my hair. I try to do that. The tea tree oil really helps with like stimulating my scalp really well, which is why I do that first. So thanks for joining me in this shower today. This is a new thing for me, so super excited to do it. Talk to you later. Bye. So now that you got to see the clip, that's really it. You saw two shorts, one of kind of my pre-work going in and kind of the foundation of how I cleanse, what I do when I cleanse, and the other one really just being like what it looks like for me to do that in section. I want to name that I've had like some issues with my dry scalp, and so the integration of the oil was a really important step for me, and really using tea tree oil again is a really important step for me. Really when I just think about like the health of my hair and my scalp overall. And then the other thing that I will just really frame in this about cleansing is like, I have now started to do this twice a week. But about every 3 to 4 days of my wash and go, I like have to rewash my hair just for the benefit of my scalp and like what it really needs. And my hair starts to get like frizzier and more matted after about 3 to 4 days. And so it's a really important step at that point. And so that's how I've been doing it. So thanks so much for tuning in. As always, I hope you have a blessed rest of the day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.